So hello, this is my new Nokia 6.1 Plus. So this is just a quick review with its specs and all of the things inside, and how Nokia 6.1 Plus is so good. So let us start. So this is the box, and this is my Nokia 6.1 Plus. It's been 2 weeks on me, so I've used it for 2 weeks already. So far, so good. It's so user friendly, and the camera, it's so good. Its processor, it's so fast. So let us look at the pictures and the videos. So some of the videos here, with a very high definition cam. The battery's life is so good because when I'm using my iPhone, I experience the battery of iPhone got so fast, and I cannot use it for the whole day. I charge it for 3 times a day, but this one, I can use it whole day. And so the double tap to open the phone. Then you can use your fingerprint here. So to open the yeah. Okay. So its screen is so good, high definition too. With the settings, you can adjust the display settings. How can you do those applications? So just click right here, home settings. You can change it, the icon shape, the icon size, so all of those things. Then the camera we have here. So